Welcome to Cooking Magic. Today we have an amazing recipe for chana chaat that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Follow these easy steps to make this tasty recipe right at home. Begin by putting boiled chickpeas in a mixing bowl. Add chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped cucumber, chopped carrots, tamarind sauce, coriander leaves and green chilies paste. For preparing dressing, mix 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes in ½ cup of vinegar. Drizzle the dressing over the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, and ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well. Squeeze 1 lemon over the chaat. Add pomegranate seeds. Mix well. Your delicious chana chaat recipe is now ready. Enjoy this recipe with your loved ones. If you found this homemade chana chaat recipe both satisfying and easy to prepare, show your support with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Magic for more incredible recipes like this one.